So it's been a while since I've been here, but I'm here. It feels really weird being back in front of a camera after so long, but here we are. So hopefully it goes well. If it doesn't, well, I just embarrassed myself for however long this video is gonna be. I don't know if any of you remember, but there was this video that went viral of like a little tiny washing machine that cleans your beauty blenders. And if you know me personally, you know that I like to spend my money on literally anything. I finally got it. It took like almost 3 weeks to get here, but when I got it, it came in this box. It's a little dented. I don't know if you can see. Nothing too crazy. Also, I thought it was kind of funny because on Amazon it said that it said it was to clean your makeup brushes. But yeah, so it was like, there's more toys out there, so I don't really think it's specifically to clean your makeup brushes, but let's find out. Okay, so put the batteries in. This is what it looks like. It's pink and stuff. There's this thing, whatever this does. There's no instructions. Well, I think there is instructions, but I don't know what that says, so this is not gonna help me at all. I'm assuming, so this opens obviously, and then there's a button. Again, what does this do though? I feel like there's like no other buttons, so I feel like maybe this drains the water out when you're done, but I assume you don't like leave it hanging, so we're just gonna leave that on. I don't know how to do this, but we're just gonna wing it. Here's my water. I don't know how much to fill it up though. Maybe I should put the soap in first. Okay, so I have soap here. Dawn. And Dawn helps save wildlife, so buy the bottle that has the little chicken or little animal on it. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of soap, and then I'm gonna put more water. I don't know how much to fill it. I'm scared. I'm gonna fill it like not halfway, but like, I don't know, like, what's the measurement for like not halfway, like just a little below halfway? Whatever. Anyway, so there's soap, water. Here's my beauty blender. Kind of nervous. I hope it doesn't like destroy my beauty blender. So, here we go. And now we're just gonna push it. There it is. So I'm just gonna push. it. I think it's stuck. Wait, it stopped. Uh-oh. Oh, the beauty blender sucked up all the water. Okay, so this is what it's doing. It's kind of weird, but there we go. It's not really turning the beauty blender so it can like clean the other side, but okay, so I flipped it around and it just got stuck. Okay. It's not really working. See, and that stopped. It was spinning when it was this way, but it's like it's not gonna be able to clean this part of the beauty blender, so I don't think that's gonna work. So I'm gonna take this out, and then we're gonna try something else. Okay, so I took the beauty blender out, I squeezed some of the water, and of course it's still dirty. I feel like it's too big for the washing machine. Real Techniques one. Let's see if this one's better at all. Oh shoot. Okay, this one's kind of spinning, but really slowly now because it's sucking up all the water. So I don't know if I should add, oh, it stopped. They're just too big for this. And in the Instagram video, I think hers was smaller. So I don't really have, there's only 2 baby blenders. I have this one. It's a mini one. Let's throw that in there and see if it washes this one. Okay, so I took it out and it didn't clean it. It didn't really clean it, so that didn't even make a difference. So this sucked. Now I'm gonna find out what this little hose does. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. So it just drains the water from this thing. Cool. Well, at least that works. Okay, so that didn't clean my beauty blenders well at all. So now we're gonna try a brush, and I'm honestly really scared because have y'all seen that Laura Lee and Jeffree Star video? Doing like pretty much like one of these things, but like more expensive, and it doesn't look like a washing machine. It's just like a fishbowl kind of thing. But I'm really scared to try to clean one of my brushes because I don't want to ruin one, but I mean I'm gonna have to for the video. So, but I'm gonna do one of my Wet n Wild brushes because it's not that expensive. I guess I'll wash this Morphe one too. So we'll do a really cheap one and then another really cheap one. Do the Wet n Wild one first. I'm not gonna do a big brush. Maybe I should. I'll think about it. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on and then stick this in here. I don't know if I'm supposed to like press it against like the spinny thing. So I'm just like holding it on the side. I'm kind of moving it. It didn't really clean it. I guess it kind of did, but yeah, it kind of did actually. I should have showed him before. Let's do this one. Here's the before. It's brown, it has brown eyeshadow on it, so let's try this one. I really hope it doesn't ruin it. I'm scared because it kind of did poof out this one a little bit more. Okay. Now for the moment of truth. Ooh. Nope. And it ruined my brush. It ruined my brush. Look at the bristles on the sides. Can you guys see that? Look at the bristles on the side. I dried it on my towel and this eyeshadow residue came on it, so it definitely did not clean my brush and it ruined it, and I'm really sad because this is an M573, a really good blending brush. Cool! Oh my god. Alright, so this definitely sucked. Can't wash beauty blenders and it can't wash your eyeshadow brushes, so I definitely don't recommend it, Avi. Clearly this is like a toy for kids, collectibles, so obviously it's not made for like makeup brushes, although I feel like just because that video went viral, it's like considered something for your brushes, but I wouldn't recommend it because you'll ruin your brushes. Like if you had like a tiny shirt, yeah, that's a flop for me. If you guys want another one for some reason of anything, let me know, and maybe I can put something together. If I want to see like a makeup tutorial, I can do that too. Or if you don't want a video at all, that's cool too. But yeah, thank you for watching. Maybe I'll see you next time, maybe I won't, but give it a thumbs up if you want me to come back. Alright, we'll see. I'm out. I'm gonna go take a nap. Peace.